Well, I thought I'd catch you up. We're at part 5 of this operation. As you can see, I've got the wing all feathered in, and I've got the body, carved a little bit. And what we're going to do today is, right now, is carve in all the little feathers in his body. I'm going to hold on that for a little bit, but we'll be doing it with this same little burn and the pretty much same trick as the big feathers. I'll start here at the neckline. So once I get all the feathers outlined with this thing, then I'll show you here. I'll take my little triangular knife there and just go right into that little point. Once they're all done, it'll have a nice little shingled look to it. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see if I can make the light catch off of it. So I won't drag you along through the whole thing, but that's what I'm going to do now is just outline all those feathers and then go back in and knock off those little corners and then I'll do the shield. To you next time. Thanks.